friends, I am Arnisa, a first year MBBS student, and in this video I am going to present few questions from the chapter Living World. The questions which I will be putting here are those which I used to write on the pages of my NCERT book during my NEET preparation time. But for my ease, now I have written those in on a notebook so that I can represent them on this platform. So what you have to do in this video is that firstly you have to listen to the question, their options, and then you have to pause the video. After that you have to think about the proper answer, the correct answer, and then you have to play the video and check out whether you have thought about the right option or the wrong option. So without wasting too much time, let's begin. So the first question is, which taxon among the following is known as broad category in taxonomic classification? A. Kingdom, B. Domain, C. Species, D. All. So the correct answer is D. All. What we learn in broad category? We know that all the taxons starting from the higher hierarchy level to the lower hierarchy level constitute broad categories. Broad categories are also known as essential or obligatory categories. See here. Now moving to the next question, and that is, name the genus of housefly. A. Muscae, B. Musca, C. Musa, D. None. So the correct answer is B. Musca. The word Muscae is related with Bryopsida and the word Musa is related with banana. This table is very much important. When I used to prepare for NEET, then frequently I used to forget this table. So revise it frequently so that you cannot forget it rapidly. Now, moving to the third question. What is the motto of creating botanical gardens? A. To preserve the plant. B. Recreation point. C. Identification purposes, and D. All. So its answer is C, for identification purposes. What we do in botanical garden? We simply plant the trees and for their reference, and we label them along with their families and scientific name. So learn it. See, this is written in this paragraph. Now the last question, which is similar to the third one, and that is, what is the purpose of creating geological parks? A. To preserve wild animals. B. Learn about their food habits and behavior. C. Recreation point. D. All. So its answer is option B, learn about their food habits and behavior. What we do in geological parks? We simply keep wild animals under our preservation, and we try to provide them the same environmental condition as they have in their natural habitat. Botanical garden and geological parks both are the way of ex situ conservation, which we learned in biodiversity and conservation chapter in class 12th NCERT biology. So if these questions were helpful to you, then let me know in the comment section, and also tell me further which questions means from which chapter you want this type of questions. Like it, share it with your friends, and for subscribe to my channel to so that you cannot miss the next video. Until I upload the next video, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you and all the best.